धागे, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई तोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे, है रोम रोम एक तारा, गजब का है दिन, सोचो जरा, ये दीवानापन, देखो जरा, तुम हो अकेले हम भी अकेले, मजा आ रहा है कसम से।
Hi Ashwini,
हाय।
I have to start with one simple thing. हम
ओ,
लोग बचपन में महात्मा गांधी की कहावत सुनते थे, उन्होंने जो कहा है, जो कोट है उनका, कि very gently you can change the world. You know, with this sweet looking face that you have, कि देखने में ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब she is a kind sweet woman, but the formidable body of work and the kind of work that you're doing in the industry, Ashwini.
आतिका, टू मच। थैंक यू।
नहीं यार, क्या टू मच। लॉकडाउन में हम जब बर्तन घिस रहे थे, आपने किताब लिख डाली। उससे पहले यू विल फिल्म
मैंने भी खाना बनाया, मैंने भी बहुत घर का काम किया हुआ है लॉकडाउन में, इसके लिए
अच्छा,
मैं
तो
लिखी थी 4 से 7।
आपने तो मुझे पिछली बार बताया था कि आप खाना बिल्कुल नहीं बनाती हैं।
हाँ, तो फिर लॉकडाउन में सीख लिया ना मैंने। तुमने मेरे इंस्टाग्राम फोटोग्राफ्स नहीं देखे, इतने अच्छे अच्छे खाना बनाया मैंने।
आई
मैं
नो।
तो मतलब खाने में भी फोटोग्राफी ढूंढ रही थी कि कैसे मैं अच्छा फोटोग्राफ्स ले
डायरेक्टर का
लूं।
दिमाग,
हाँ,
डायरेक्टर का दिमाग, हाँ।
नहीं, पर क्या करूं,
बिल्कुल
आई हैव टू मेक
बिल्कुल।
एवरीथिंग लुक नॉट बोरिंग इनफ फॉर मी।
For creative people, even a plate of food is like a work of art. The right colors, the right texture, the right presentation.
हाँ, वो उसको आप ओसीडी भी बोल सकते हो।
थोड़ा थोड़ा बीमार तो हम सब लोग हैं एक्चुअली, बट ठीक है। अच्छा ये बताइए अश्विनी कि आपने एक किताब लिखी है और मैंने इसको पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया है। इट्स कॉल्ड मैपिंग लव. So one can buy a Kindle edition, one can actually order it. I ordered it, it's inside, but I also have a Kindle edition right now with me. And जो मैंने आपकी तस्वीरें, जो आपकी मूवीज की तस्वीरें जो बोलती हैं, that are quite simple and light, but the words that you have used are very profound and very deep. ये कहानी कहाँ से आई और क्या ये आपकी कहानी है और इसमें
नहीं,
आपका कितना है?
नहीं, नहीं, ये मेरी कहानी बिल्कुल नहीं है। क्योंकि जब आप पढ़ना चालू करोगे तो आप रियलाइज करोगे नहीं, ये मेरी कहानी बिल्कुल नहीं है। पर लेट मी टेल यू दैट, सी एज अ स्टोरी टेलर, एंड आप तो, हमने काफी बातें की है एक दूसरे के साथ। I'm quite profound even in my characters when it comes to even films. It's just that I go very deep in my back sketches, and what you see on on in cinema, maybe only 1/4 of it, or maybe you go deeper and understand the characters. And but the work of the characters has happened. It's happened on paper. It's happened on how my character would live, eat, talk, what kind of food he or she would like, what is the kind of movies they would like, what would they do, how would they talk, how would be their relationships like, are they very strong headed, are they very mild, do they think from the heart, do they think from the mind? So there's so many things which goes into a character development, and almost all characters which I develop, I think, are scarred in some way, because all of us as humans also are scarred, but we always look for a futuristic brightness in our lives, where even if our lives are scarred in any way, even if our character is scarred, we'll make sure that something, there is always hope in the end, and there's always light at the end of the tunnel. So that's what I feel. In Even in the book which I've written, it is about these two characters, called Urja and Anang, and it is about their life, and from the point of view of Urja and her relationship with her parents, Anand's relationship with his parents, and the whole aspect of the relationship with nature per se, and the forest, and how the characters start intertwining themselves in the complex relationships of understanding what relationships are all about. For
So
the
what do you
longest,
think, Ashwini? What do you
sorry.
think? What do you think? What are relationships all about?
I think relationships are all about forgiveness. Relationships are all about love between a man and a woman, not per se. It can be with anyone. The relationship between a parent and a child at any age changes, keeps changing. And most of the time, we feel that the husband understands the wife, or the wife understands the husband very well, or a sister brother understands each other very well, or a guy and a girl understand each other very well. But how much do we really understand them? Is for us to ask ourselves. And
Hmm.
at the end of the day, we all have to go up. And it is important that in this course of life, we don't carry all this emotional baggage with us. And therefore, forgiveness plays a very important role in the story. And for me, I do feel that I keep giving this example that our emotions are like a garbage, and bad emotions, if you carry it along in a garbage and you keep putting it in a garbage can, what will happen? It will start overflowing one day. And when it
Yeah.
starts overflowing, then you mess up your relationships. We mess up a whole lot of aspects of what could have been altered but didn't get altered for whatever reason. So I feel that the aspect of forgiveness and the aspect of relooking at the whole pathway to the end, because an end will come for each one of us. So
True.
but the pathway to the end should be.
जिस बर्तन में जहर रखा हुआ होता है, उस बर्तन को ही जहर सबसे ज्यादा नुकसान पहुंचाता है। तो अगर वो सारी नफरत आपने अपने अंदर रखी हुई है, तो ये समझिए कि सबसे ज्यादा नुकसान आप ही का हो रहा है। एंड आई थॉट दैट दैट्स अ गुड वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट इट। और हाँ, देयर वाज अ नाइस वीडियो दैट सेज कि आपने पिछले संडे को क्या खाना खाया था, क्या ये आपको याद है? नहीं याद है। तो ये बताइए कि 10 साल पहले आपको किसी ने क्या बुरी बात बोल दी थी, ये आपको क्यों याद है? So very logical, but it
Yeah.
needs that one book or one video to make us realize that.
Right. Yeah.
आपका
So
आपका दिन
this
किस
is,
पे दिखाया था actually?
yes, a
Talk to
lot
the
of things.
hatred.
Yeah. I think we all are very emotional people. We think from the heart. We sometimes make wrong judgments about people, and there would be times when you think that you think that it's the right thing to do, but then in the course of time you feel it was not actually the right thing. So these kind of things happen, and it's only important to take it on your stride. And um, but the one thing which I've learned in my whole course of life is, especially, I think we understand these things when we're slightly more mature in our mind and in terms of what we think and how we look at life, is that it is important not to carry any grudges, and it's important to just let go and just move on and forgive.
तो अश्विनी, मैं ना कुछ आपसे रैंडम सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ, इसलिए क्योंकि मैंने बहुत सारे डायरेक्टर्स, बहुत सारे एक्टर्स से बहुत सारी बातचीतें की हैं, लेकिन मुझे आपका जो डीएनए है और जो आपका सोचने का तरीका है वो थोड़ा यूनिक लगता है। आपकी फिल्म मेकिंग थोड़ी यूनिक है। एक तो ये दैट यू मेक मूवीज अराउंड वुमेन, बट दे आर नॉट hyper feministic themes. You know, it's not about my body, I do whatever I want to do. You can't see me, you can't touch me. You know, मुझे नया sometimes feminism also can be a little disturbing to equalists जो आदमी और औरत में बराबरी देखते हैं। वो नहीं है आपका, बड़ा ही डेमोक्रेटिक और बहुत ही नॉन जजमेंटल अप्रोच है टुवर्ड्स जेंडर इक्वालिटी। सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए अश्विनी की ग्रोइंग अप यू आर एन अय्यर। यू नो, मैं अपने कई दोस्तों से बोलती हूँ कि मुझे बहुत अफसोस है इस बात का कि मैं दो तरह के लोगों से जिंदगी में बहुत लेट मिली। ओनली व्हेन आई वाज 21 and I started studying in Delhi in a college, I realized I met up with Bengalis and stayed in a hostel with them, and South Indians, you know, Malayalis and people from down south, Hyderabadis. And I realized that I should have met Malayalis and Bengalis way early in life because they are so liberal and they are so ahead of time, so modern, so different, you know, as opposed to just the North Indian culture that we have grown up with. you tell me about the family that you grew in. You are a Matunga girl, you are a Mumbai girl who knows Bareilly and Meerut equally well. You are a woman who doesn't judge characters, doesn't judge people, who has a very sweet and a kind take on all kinds of worlds, you know. अगर आप नॉर्थ इंडिया की सेटिंग दिखा भी रही हैं तो आप मर्दों को हार्श और ब्रैश नहीं दिखाते हैं. आई वांट टू नो आपका बचपन कैसा था और आपके माँ बाप क्या करते थे और आपके सिबलिंग्स क्या करते थे.
So I'm the only child of my parents, and I grew up in this very small place, which is the end of Mumbai. उसके बाद थाना आता है, which थाने आता है, which is basically Mulund. And Mulund को वो टाइम पे मुखिल स्टेशन बोला जाता था, because I think वो before independence और उसके बाद it was like a hill station which had a lot of mountains, and the mountain is the one which shares with Borivali. तो Borivali National Park और मुलुंड का जो डिवीजन है वो एक माउंटेन है उधर. So I grew up in this very small place and went to a school called St. Mary's Convent, and my mother has been a school principal for forever. So and my father is a PhD in plant pathology. So basically I have grown up amongst plants and microscopes and growing
Wow.
like he has grown potatoes in Saudi Arabia in the desert. So basically that's the kind of growing up years. And also I think the interest in music I learned Bharatanatyam. I did my Arangetam in Bharatanatyam. Then I learned classical music, and I did 6 years of classical music, after which I left.
Wow.
And Hindustani classical I did. And I think my mother always wanted me to be in the creative arts, but being like a middle class family, we always go more towards, get studying and then getting a degree in that matter, which would tick mark all the liabilities we would have. Is because I started working also very early. I was funding my art school along with my college, and working in an events company and doing all kinds of art there. And
But
even
that was not because your parents had, that was not because your parents lacked money, because both your parents were doing very well in life. So why were you
No,
funding
I
it?
would say that in between there was this little gap where my father had lost his job, and my mother was doubling up in terms of taking classes, coaching classes, and also tuitions, and also studying and doing things. So that was there, but that I think those kind of setbacks always make you more resilient and always makes you want to work harder and do your own thing.
Wow.
So I started working very early is because I was supposed to be a CA because my mama is a CA, and I was supposed to do my CA, but I think I fared very badly in class 12 in maths, and I still remember it was October 2nd, and he opened this whole conversation by Gandhiji, and I remember on October 2nd, some 27, 28 years back, I told my mother, I'm done with 12th, I'm done with CA, I'm done with everything. I can't do this. I can't do maths. I can't do any of those things. I want to do art. I want to be a painter. I want to be an artist. And she told me, oh, how can we middle class people be painters? We do not know how to sell paintings. We can't do business.
Wow.
And I said that, no, but I do not know anything, but I need to do something about this. And it was very nice. And my uncle is a IIT professor in IIT Mumbai, was an IIT professor in Mumbai. So we kind of understood the whole thing. And IIT had IDC, which is Industrial Design Center. So he spoke to some of his professor friends, and he said that, you know what, even you can be an artist and even you can earn money. So basically, we let her do her commercial arts. So I wanted to actually go to NID, but NID at that point of time was too expensive for me because it was 70,000 for the whole year, which was very expensive for me. And I said, okay, so I will apply in JJ School of Arts and I'll apply in Sophia Polytechnic. And I got into Sophia Polytechnic. And I worked and studied for 5 years. It was camera, colors, research. There's so much you do when you're in art school. But I learned a lot there, and I majored in typography and calligraphy and photography as my major.
Wow.
And I passed out as a gold medalist, and I got a direct placement in Leo Burnett at that point of time.
Wow.
So yeah, so yes, I would give hats off to my mother who guided me, saying that okay, you want to be an artist, but be an artist who will earn money. So for me, the best thing was to do okay. So I would have either joined a publishing house like
Yeah.
the Times of India Group, or or designing and illustrating pages, or I would have joined an ad agency. I got a job
Yeah.
in an ad agency, and I think that was the best decision I took. And
Yeah.
yeah, from there it is just a journey right from the beginning. So I started off with designing ads. I've done big print campaigns for a lot of brands, and then slowly and steadily started telling stories through film medium and writing for radio, and then started heading the agency Mumbai as an ACD. Yeah, and then Nilbati
Wow.
Sangata.
Tell me, actually, as a woman growing up as a girl, was the world tough on you, harsh on you? Because some women directors have really very rough stories to tell. You know, you talk to Guneet, um, um, many of my female film directors or writers have a lot of angst in them. Atika Chauhan, who wrote Chapak, has many stories to say. CEO of Censor Board, Pankaja Thakur, she's from Bihar, lots of stories. You know, what your struggle? Did you see struggle as a girl?
I would not say struggle as a growing up girl, is because I was fortunate enough to grow up in Mumbai, who was which already had a lot of openings for many women to follow their passion of work. So I was blessed that way, and also I think I joined advertising, which anyways had a lot of women out there at that point of time, and I had a lot of clients of mine right across. A lot of multinational brands who I used to work with across Asia, and there were many women there. So I didn't understand the idea of growing up as a girl. What kind of choices do I need to make with my career? Because I was always told in my household that you need to study, you need to make money, you need to work, you need to make money, you need to get married, you also need to have children, and at the same time you need to continue your work. So it was always that, and it was also that you need to read a lot, you need to listen to a lot of music. So I've heard Mozart and MS Subbulakshmi, and I've learned, I've
Wow.
understood Carnatic music, and I know Hindustani classical music. So I've grown up with all those kind of different aspects. Like my aunt, my father's younger sister are all Carnatic kacheri singers. They do kacheri in Chennai. So we have grown up around this kind of atmosphere. So I would not say that was a challenge. But if you are saying that after I joined advertising, there would be places where you would have like uh, colleagues, or sometimes you would have also clients who would never look into your eye and speak to you because you're a decision maker, or the challenges which will come in when you want to go home early, and maybe because of the prototype you just want to finish your work, you want to do everything on time, and you want to leave from work and go home, or whatever you want to do after office hours. And there was no midnight dinners for me. So in terms that working late and all that never happened in my scheme of things. So I didn't understand that culture, which comes from a very which comes, I think, would be like a very male groupism kind of thing,
Yeah.
which also changed after time. So I would
True.
not understand that.
Mm.
In fact, we were encouraged in our agencies by our bosses to hire more women in the team, to tell more stories which have women as protagonists. So we were always encouraged to do that. But the change which I saw was when I joined films, is because I was not looked at the way I would want to be looked at. To be called sir is not a joke. Like, to be called and
Yeah.
not to be looked into the eye. And when I've gone for a recce, and I've been, and someone is looking at me and not looking at me, but looking at my production person or someone else or my AD and looking at him and talking. And when I would literally look and say, hello,
Yeah, look at me
please
and
look at
talk.
me and
Yeah.
talk to me. I'm the decision maker. I'm going to be taking the calls here. So, so that's what it was. And, but things change. I've also always been a person. I remember giving a TEDx talk in Infi Bangalore, and the whole
Right.
conversation was that to have the yin and the yang. I do feel that it is very
I was in
important.
Narishwar.
I have a very strong uh, mind in terms of what I want to achieve, what I want to do in life, and what kind of respect I seek. And I also am a very I see things as black and white in terms of respect. And if I'm not getting respect somewhere, I would let that person know. uh, if someone
Right.
has sent a mail to me saying, dear sir, and then talking about work, I would very happily reply back and say, first learn to acknowledge that you who you're speaking to and what work you want, and then let's talk further. So I'm very
True.
honest and direct about those things when it comes to respect. Because and also I'm extremely sure about my journey and my work. So I think it's important for women to understand and love their personality and their work which they get to the table. To when they start respecting themselves and their work is when others will start respecting you. I always believe in that.
Yeah.
So I've never had issues in terms of this pay parity or any of those sorts, is because I've very quietly done what is important and what is right for the work. So in the same case, there would be a lot of uh, directors who are men who would not get the right opportunities. But it always comes down to the women, is because we think that we have not got the opportunities because our gender talks about it. But I don't think so. That is the case. We have changed the system with respect to our work and work space.
And you're a very sweet looking. You should rather, actually, you would rather pass off as a South Indian actress. You have that ultra feminine outlook.
Wow. So are you asking me now to go to Tamil movies and start acting there? My
Why not?
mother had this dream. She told me that why don't you go at that point of time, so 25 years ago, she told me, why don't you go to Chennai and why don't you start acting in some movies and all
You can. You can. You have learned to sing. Can you sing a song now? Sing a song.
No, no.
Sing a song, yaar. Please.
Hey, Atika, no.
प्लीज यार जो संग यार जो सीखा हुआ है वो ना गा सके हम लोग भी कहीं कहीं भी शुरू हो जाते हैं आपको तो कोई रिक्वेस्ट करे तो यू आर ऑब्लाइज्ड यू शुड बी ऑब्लाइज्ड टू सिंग कम ऑन
मेरे को वर्ड्स नहीं आते यार आधा टाइम.
तो जितना आता है सुना दो मेरी जान.
हंसोगी तो नहीं?
नहीं यार.
गुस्सा तो नहीं करोगी बाद में? ये तो
नहीं
सब
यार.
जगह जाएगा ना. ओके चलो, मैंने अभी खोला. मेरे को आई भूमि मार ना दे मेरे को इसके बाद. ओके. मोह मोह के धागे, मोह मोह के धागे, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई तोह तोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे, है रोम रोम एक तारा, है रोम रोम एक तारा, जो बादलों में से गुजरे.
फिर से उठाइए. मैं एडिट कर दूंगी.
नहीं बस.
Come on.
तुम भी गाओ मेरे साथ. हाँ.
मेरी आवाज बैठी है लेकिन मैं गाती हूँ.
ये मोह मोह के धागे
धागे
तेरी उंगलियों से
उंगलियों
जाओ
से
मुझे,
जाओगे,
कोई तो है
कोई
तो
तो
है
है तो
मान
हमारा
आगे,
आगे,
किस तरह गिर
तरह
ये
ये
तुझे,
तुझे।
तू होगा जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना,
अपना
तू होगा जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना, कैसे। बस हाँ, अभी यहाँ
हाँ
बहुत
हाँ हाँ,
डिफिकल्ट है
come
गाना।
on, Ashwini, we'll open the show with this. कैसे 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 कैसे।
नहीं, अनु मलिक जी ने बहुत अच्छा इसके गाने और लिरिक्स भी बहुत अच्छे लिखे हैं, मैं इसका कुछ करना नहीं चाहती हूँ, बस मैं इतना ही गा पाऊंगी। एक टाइम पे ना वो वाला गाना बहुत गाती थी आतिका, ये
क्या?
तो कट जाएगा तो फिर कटने दे। जब पता है ये सब स्कूल कॉम्पिटिशन्स में गाने होते थे,
हाँ
गाने की कंपटीशन होती थी, तो सब जगह तो जाना
हाँ
पड़ता है ना। नहीं तो ये जब गणपति के जो होता है तो वहां पे वो 10 days में जो होती
हाँ,
है ना, जो
अरे
कॉलोनी
मजा आता है।
कॉलोनी सब जाता था, तो
सॉरी
ये वाला
सॉरी।
बहुत इजी होता था, तो मैं हमेशा गाती थी कयामत से कयामत का ये वाला गाना,
हाँ
गजब का है दिन, गजब का है दिन, सोचो जरा ये दीवानापन, देखो जरा तुम हो अकेले हम भी अकेले, मजा आ रहा है कसम से, देख लो हमको करीब से, आज हम मिले हैं नसीब से। जिस तरह से ना आमिर सर और जूही मैम ऐसे वो घूमते थे ना, वो पूरे ऐसे,
हाँ
it's like just that the whole song is just that scene, and
यस
with the huge coniferous trees and the barks, and it's
यस
just that, it's so beautiful,
यस
it's so simple, that
या।
song.
अच्छा ये बताइए सनी कि रोमांटिक एक समा भी बन गया है, मैपिंग लव की बात भी हो रही है, तो आपकी लाइफ का जो लव है अय्यर वर्सेस तिवारी, ये कैसे हुआ?
Nitesh was working in Low Lintas, which was Lintas before now Low, and I was in Leo Burnett, and we had this. I had this really dear friend called Priyanka, and he had a friend, still his really dear friend called Gautam, who is an MX player now. Gautam will kill me if I tell this. And so एक दिन हमने बहुत काम कर लिया था, और and my copy partner who is now heading O&M, she's the chief creative officer, Kenaz. So Kenaz and Nitesh had worked in a previous agency called Ulka a long time back, before they came into Leo Burnett. So Kenas, once in a conference when we were having a conversation, told that, I have this really dear friend of mine who's written like superb radios and all that, and you should hear this radio. It's really nice, very well written radio, and got the the whole insight really well. And so I was like, okay, and all that. And then the same evening, we were like too tired working, and Priyanka told me that you want to come with me because I have Gautam there and his friends from Loa coming, so you can join me for dinner. Then she introduced me to him, and he was playing pool, and I also started playing pool, and I think that's where we just met, and बस उसके बाद मिलते रहे, और फिर मम्मी को बोला मैंने कि नितिश के साथ
तिवारी
मुझे
है,
करनी है।
तिवारी है।
हाँ, तो she was like हाँ but advertising and all that, क्यों करना है तुमको? And I said नहीं वो IIT का इंजीनियर है। तो अचानक ऐसा सब दिमाग चेंज हो गया, because my uncle was a professor in IIT Mumbai, so it was his professor, so all that.
या
Yeah.
उनको
It's
लगा ये तो
call
अपना
it
ही है अपना
destiny, call it destiny, yeah, whatever. Yeah.
ही। You're a lucky woman। ऐसी कोई प्रियंका मेरी जिंदगी में क्यों नहीं है?
अरे
ओके एंड टेल मी एक्चुअली, तो आपकी शादी हो गई, ठीक है, नाउ आप दोनों एडवर्टाइजिंग में काम कर रहे हैं, and then you've had 2 babies also. ये संतुलन कैसे बैठता है? Because you are a frequent traveler, you are a perfectionist, you are ambitious, you want to do so many things, and you have done them perfectly, and with kids, and कैसे? Are you a big fan of delegating work, or you are a very good planner? What is the trick?
I think I'm a good planner, and also I don't think so. I like delegating work, but sometimes I like doing a lot of things on my own also. And but I think it's a more multitasking and more planning kind of thing. And I also prioritize. So I don't like to be everywhere, in terms of that if there's some things. I think it's a societal norm that you need to be, as a mother, especially who wants to do a lot of things in life, she has to be everywhere and be responsible for everything. I don't think so. I take that kind of stress, and I don't feel guilty about it either. So that is something I think works for me, and I can detach myself also very easily. So yes, I like my work. Uh, I like doing my creative work, but at the same time, I can completely detach myself, and maybe, and it's happened. If you see my Instagram timelines, they would be like for 1 month I'm not even been there, and even now, like right now I'm there every day because it's important. But then I may just one day switch off and say, "Bas," and then I'll be gone. So
Wow.
I have that capability to do that. Yeah.
और अगर कुछ मूवीज आप सजेस्ट करेंगी जो आपने लॉकडाउन में देखी और आप चाहते हैं कि सब जरूर देखें जिस टू नर्चर देयर सोल, वो कौन सी होगी एक्चुअली?
There are a lot of movies. I honestly, Atika, and this is something which Nitesh मुझे हमेशा बहुत चिढ़ाता है मुझे, but I watch less of films. I read a lot. I'm a more of an avid reader, and tomorrow, if you ever interview Nitesh and speak to him, he will tell you the same thing. I watch less of films. For me, my imagination of making films comes from my own experiences and what I like. I don't like to take references always, but yeah, if you want me to say that अभी ये कौन सी films देखनी चाहिए, मैं अभी आप मुझे बता दे कौन सी book पढ़नी चाहिए, मैं अभी आपको बता दूंगी. पर कौन सी film देखनी चाहिए, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि definitely going back. We should watch Good Will Hunting. We should watch Pursuit of Happiness. We should watch
Life is Beautiful.
Life is Beautiful. We should watch even our comedy films of Sai Paranjpe, Slice of Life films of Rishikesh Katha. We should watch. We should go and rewatch all these films. We should watch Ijazat. We should watch. There's so many beautiful films we have. Yeah. We should also watch, because now subtitles are available. We should really watch some really nice old Tamil films, some very nice Malayalam films which are there, which are very, very beautiful, and also some very, very beautiful Marathi films which are there.
That visual cinema has some real hidden gems.
And very beautiful Bengali films are there. Yeah.
Absolutely.
There's this beautiful film in Marathi called Mayrechi Sadi, which should be watched. In Tamil, there's this movie I'm sure everyone knows about. It is Michael Madan Kamarajan, which is like really very funny, but it's so beautifully made, and what amazing acting.
Wow.
Should be watched. Yeah.
आपने भी तो अपनी नीलबटे सन्नाटा तमिल में फिर से बनाई थी ना?
Yeah.
In Tamil. Wow. So say something in Tamil.
What do you want me to say?
Anything, yeah. I like
Tell
learning.
me what do you want to say?
Okay, my name is Atika.
Enodu per Atika. Enodu per Atika.
Enodu per Atika. Okay.
Today I have too much of work. Today you have too much of work. Today I have too much of work. You say, no, don't disturb me. No, today you have too much of work.
Don't disturb me. Today I have too much of work.
என்ன டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணாதே, நிறைய வேலை இருக்கு இன்னைக்கு. So when someone doesn't want to understand, you just say என்ன டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணாதே, நிறைய வேலை இருக்கு.
Actually, you should make a comedy films. Your comic timing is very good.
No, because I think I've grown in, born and brought up in Mumbai, and I've lived around so many multilingual people that I picked up also languages because I had Marathi in Hindi in school. I speak very good Marathi is because I've dealt with so many, all my friends in agencies, art directors, and all.
Yeah.
So I understand the language very well. I like learning languages, but Bengali I understand, but I cannot speak. This is one language which I want to learn now.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Gujarati,
Oh, yes.
Kutchi, all.
મારું નામ આતિકા છે. અશ્વિની મારો દોસ્ત છે.
તમારું નામ
અશ્વિની
શું
મને
છે?
બહુ ગમે છે. મારું
અશ્વિની
નામ
મને
આતિકા છે.
બહુ ગમે છે.
અશ્વિની મારો દોસ્ત છે. અશ્વિની મને બહુ
મારી
ગમે છે.
દોસ્ત છે. હા, મારી દોસ્ત છે.
મારી દોસ્ત
મને
છે.
બહુ ગમ્યું.
અશ્વિની મને બહુ ગમ્યું છે.
છે નહીં
ગમ્યું
હોગા,
છે.
ગમ્યું.
બહુ ગમ્યું. Okay. That is the beauty of art, yeah. And in the end, actually, ये बताइए कि जब आप you work with Sangna, you work with Swara, you work with so many different kinds of actors. What actors are fun to work with for a director? Are treat to work with for a director?
I have been extremely blessed to have all my actors across my short films, my feature films, my ad films. I would say more of short films and feature films because there you spend a lot of time with your actors and very established actors. I've been very blessed that all my actors have surrendered to me in totality in terms of trusting me and giving their 100% of their time and sensibilities to me and making and trusting me for the fact that they know that whatever I do for them, whether it with all my actors, male or female, actors and female actors, that I would do the best for them, and there's no other motivation for me. For me, I always feel, I think that's my starting point, that when my actors shine, I just feel very proud about that. I just feel a sense of pride.
You know, I surrendered to my director and I actually acted in a Netflix film with Manoj Bajpayee directed by Abhishek Chaubey.
Oh, nice.
Yes. And
Finally.
Yes. And I have an angel at home who's invisible and who can tell me future. Wait.
Yeah, so I know where that is going. We will.
When will I work with Ashwini? He says our film will be out in the next 1 year.
You never know, Atika. The future is always very bright, and of course I've connected with you for something else also long time back, so yes, I will 100%. I've told you that.
Yeah, on the record aa gaya hai ab to.
No, of course.
So great. Mapping love
my joy is to find new talent and to give them wings. I just feel, like I said before, मुझे बहुत मजा आता है उसमें.
Ashwini, thank you so much. You are such a great talent that we have. आपकी movies देखकर इतना अच्छा लगता है. They are not trying to make a point. They're just great fun. And I must tell you, I think I told you कि बहुत सालों में मेरे फादर ने मूवी हॉल जाके दिल बटे सन्नाटा देखी थी, रात के 11 बजे का शो गोरेगांव में, और वो 4-5 दिन तक उसकी बात करते रहे थे मुझसे. वो बहुत अच्छी थी फिल्म. And we need to get that innocence back in our cinema, in our movies, which should be for everybody to enjoy, people of all ages. और वो आप बना रही हैं. ऐसे ही काम करते रहिए, किताबें पढ़ते रहिए, have your own imagination and make good cinema.
Thank you so much.